There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait.
Hello everyone, have a wonderful day. So for today's video, let's take a walk at the beautiful beach of Canar. So today it's a beautiful day, the sun is shining and it's a good time to go to the beach. So let's go. We're now passing here at the shortcut at the mini forest of Canar. Alright, let's keep moving. Over there is the Playa of Canar, but right now they are still closed. Alright, and that is Liam over there. He is so excited to go to the beach. But we're only going slowly because my feet is aching. I don't know what's the reason, but it's been so long that my right foot is aching. I cannot walk so long. Alright, let's keep moving. But many people suggested that if you have a foot problem, that your feet is aching, you can put an algae, or what do you call that, seaweeds, and wrap around to your foot, or you can walk in the sand to relieve the pain. I'm not so sure if it's correct or that's only a rumor, but there's no problem when trying. Alright, we're almost near to the beach. We are right now here at the beach of Canar. Look at that. There's so many people enjoying the beach. Look at that. Wow. Look at the beautiful beach of Canar. There's so many people in the beach right now, enjoying the beautiful sunny day. Here. No, over there. Come, Liam, come. No. Come here. want also this one? Hindi sa dalo, mangkalo mo tadlong ni Mami Ben. What?
The water.
Wow, that's a very big. What's it doing now?
The water gun.
Ayan. You want it? I'll put it there back.